Hi, my name is Dalen Lawrence, and we're coming to you today from our virus-free studios here on Bainbridge Island. And today's video is going to be about our new product, the Unity Safe Air System. I hope you like it. Let's take a look. Our motivation to create this product is to help your business, your restaurant, your daycare, your athletic club create trust so that your customers can feel a little safer about coming back to your facility. But it's not just a technology to clean the air, although it does that. It includes a validated message that you can communicate to your customers and employees that you care about their health and safety. Part 1 is building pressure. There's no filtering / UV virus killing system that will ever work unless all your air is moving correctly through your building and your HVAC units. Fortunately, Unity Controls does a fantastic job of controlling your building pressure dynamically. And what does dynamically mean? What does it really mean? It means that in a hostile environment like a kitchen where fans are turning on and off and temperatures swing based on how many burgers are being made, Unity uses advanced algorithms to keep your pressure steady. Wi-Fi thermostats just can't do that. They're not built to. It's also a great reason to do an air test and balance every 3 years or whenever new major equipment is added to your kitchen. Part 2 is clean the air. Outside air enters the building through washable Merv 9 filters. These filters remove traffic pollutants, pollen, mold, and pathogens down to 1.0 microns. Air inside the building is continuously circulated through Merv 16 high-performance panel filters. These filters are proven to remove 90% of the ultra-fine particles, including viruses, bacteria, allergens, and other pollutants. See the link in our details section for an AQMD report. The last step is the addition of an in-duct UVC air purification device. Hospital-proven UVC technology deactivates and destroys 99.99% of the remaining airborne contaminants. In a small way, we've turned your facility into an operating room, at least as far as the air goes. Part 3 is validation. Can you prove your air is clean? Unity provides you 2 air quality sensors. One is a fixed sensor that reports results to your Unity system. Unity will capture the data and let you see the air quality over time. Airflow sensors will detect and alert you when you need to change your filters. These high-performance filters can last up to 1 year without changing them. The second measurement comes from a handheld device that you can move from room to room and take current readings and compare your readings to outside monitoring sites. In addition, you can go to iqair.com and see the maps of the air quality in your surrounding area and all over the world for that matter. Here's an example of today's air quality in Houston. Not very good. We can prove and validate that the Unity Safe Air System removes particles and increases the health and safety of your employees and your customers. Part 4 is communicate results. We want to make it easy for you to tell everyone that you have made an investment in their health and safety. That's why we're creating and branding a designation for your location as a Safe Air Site. We've grabbed the URL, safeairsites.com, and we'll be building out a website that lists locations that are using our Safe Air system. Optionally, you can choose for us to display the quality of your air at your store in real time. A sticker, sign, or plaque should be displayed publicly, pointing patrons to the safeairsites.com, where we will better explain to the public what steps are being taken to improve their health and safety with clean, purified air. In addition, we'll be making available a web page widget to place on your own website your current air quality, and you choose how best to tell the story of how much you care about your customers. Thank you for watching our video about the Unity Safe Air System. We think providing clean, purified air with validation and communication creates more trust with employees and customers. These have been tough times. And we need to be creative and show our legitimate concern in ways we had not previously thought of. If you have questions, please call us at 877-486-4892, extension 1, and we'd love to talk with you. If you found this video interesting, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to our Unity Controls channel. More content will be coming every week. Until next time, see you later.